Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is The Camera. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn to express your needs. Before this, in English for grade C, we have learned courtesy words. Remember, please, excuse me, thank you. So, by using these words, today we'll learn how to express our needs. And we'll cover the SLO to articulate, recognize, and use some formalic expressions to express limited needs. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah 40, verse 60. Your Lord has proclaimed, call upon me, I will respond to you. Surely those who are too proud to worship me will enter hell, fully humbled. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse tells us. Beta, the basic thing is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, call upon me. If you have any problem, talk to me. If you need anything, talk to me. Who is saying this? Allah. So beta, whenever we are in a problem, we need something, whom should we ask for? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Very good. And beta, when we ask Allah, Allah makes it possible through people. Okay. For example, you ask your mama, give me something. Maybe mama is busy at that time and she is not. When you make dua to Allah, Allah will put love in mama's heart and she will come and she will do that for you. This is how, that's why Allah is saying, call upon me, ask me, I will provide it to you even through people, because we need people as well. So, tell me at home, who do you say when you need something? Whom do you talk to? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered, and mostly children of your age talk to mama. That's good. And beta, we should follow the courtesy words and whenever we need something. Now, the important thing is that you should ask for something which you really need. For example, you are sitting in your classroom and you are doing your drawing work. Now you need color here, right? So you can say, I need colors to color my drawing. This is so relevant. And can you say, I need to ride in a roller coaster in classroom? No. So beta, wherever you are at that place, what you need should be relevant and you should talk to relevant person. Like in classroom, who is the relevant person? Whom you will say, I need colors? To your teacher. Good. And you will use courtesy words. Please give me colors. Good job. The next example is, I need books to learn. Please give me books. I need books to learn. The next example is, I need toys to play. Right? Please give me toys. I need toys to play. Good. And toys again, maybe not in classroom. You are in grade 1 now. So, this sentence you will say to your mama at home, or maybe when you are at a store, you can say, buy toys for me. But when you are in classroom, better when you are in classroom, there are many situations when you need help. So, you should talk to your teacher. For example, here you are writing your work, you are writing something and your pencil needs sharpening. Okay, your pencil needs to be sharpened. What you will say? I need a sharpener to sharpen my pencil because I cannot write without sharpening, all right? And I need pencils to write. If you don't have pencil, you will say, I need a pencil because I need to write. This is how your need should be relevant at the situation. You want to write, and can you ask for a jet, for a plane, for a toy? No. So this is how we find out what do we need, and this is how we talk to the person who can help us to complete that need. Do you understand? Are you clear with the concept? Okay, I'm going to check it. So here is activity time. What you will do? You will express your needs in your own words. Whatever you can talk about, you will use your own words, and you can think of any kind of needs on the basis of what you have just read. You will tell need, what do I need, and why, because there can be no need without reason. Okay, so teachers kindly make every child to come in front of class and participate in this activity. Pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, all of you have mentioned your needs. Good job. All right, so it's time for your homework. What you will do, you will ask your sibling to express their needs. Now you will tell them what the needs are, and you will ask their needs and make a list of these needs in your notebook and show this list to your teacher by tomorrow. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, there are many objects. You will color only the objects which you need. All right. So what we have learned today, we learned to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express limited needs. Okay. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to articulate, to recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express limited needs. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.